have two projections with greens that are repeating and that are very transparent. So you get a kind of image echo or an image tunnel. I'm Batia Suter and I'm based in Amsterdam. I work a lot with found old images with reproductions. The show in Arles is called OCTAHYDRA, and it's kind of combination about old found pictures of buildings, a kind of study on reproductions on architecture with a certain feeling and a certain quality, a kind of uncanniness, and these pictures are combined with two projections of plastic food containers. So you get a kind of dialogue or clash between old images and very modern images. So you get a kind of playing with time. On the pillars of the CRYPTOPORTIQUES there is also a series with prints. You have these two ways to study images. To do something in the CRYPTOPORTIQUES, that was really a huge adventure. I did the project together with the Finnish architect Sami Rintala and the curator Francesca Marcaccio, and to find a kind of dialogue between the pictures and the walls and this very low, strong tunnel. So it was really wonderful to work on this. You make me very happy if you visit the OCTAHYDRA show at the CRYPTOPORTIQUES, and it's also a wonderful chance to cool down a bit and take some rest.